Yo, good morning, my DGens. What's going on? All right, let's get right into our JASMY outlook this morning. What's going on, guys? JASMY is about to explode globally. Let's look at it here, okay? So 1 cent 657 right now, $818.50 million market cap, 33.14 million in volume. Just kind of stagnant going sideways, guys. 0.52% up on the day. As long as Bitcoin continues to go sideways, we're closing candles on Bitcoin still above 67,000, so 67.7, very nice. We have a very, very big weekly close today, guys, that last night, that we have to go back and have a look at. Was very, very important. So first, we'll have a look over at the JASMY chart. So we have double bottomed here on JASMY. And we're in the buy zone still, so we have to see what happens. Again, guys, continued rejection off the 30-day SMA pretty violently here, right? But again, if we zoom out, guys, we are still in this falling wedge pattern that we have been in for over 5 months now, okay? Now, when we were here, we broke out over 500%. So in a similar pattern. So now we've been in this this falling wedge pattern for, like I said, 5 months, over 5 months now. And like I told you guys, we could fall all the way down to around 1 cent 1.5-ish, or 1 cent 1 even, and still be inside of this falling wedge pattern, which is an extremely bullish pattern, guys. Do not sell it short, right? Now, am I saying that's for sure going to happen? Of course, I'm not saying that's for sure going to happen, right? Nothing's guaranteed in crypto. But what I can tell you is these majority of the time will break to the upside, right? It's just a matter of when, guys. It's just a matter of when, right? The breakout will be glorious on it. If we go and we got to look at Bitcoin's chart real quick as well. Here, let's bring it up. So Bitcoin's chart on the daily time frame, guys, still setting in a higher low. It looks like it almost wants to come down and test the 30-day SMA here as a support level. It kind of looks like it might wick down and do that as it kind of goes forward. But if we go over to the weekly, I mean, we closed last week green, right? Look how far we wicked up though on the wick on this. Holy smokes. That is a lot of selling pressure, a lot of bear pressure right there. Boom, right? And now, so here we are starting a fresh week candle last night. Will we finish this candle green or will we finish it red? We won't know for about a week, right? But so far, we seem to want to dance around this support level very nicely, though, as you can see on the weekly time frame, that 68,000 level. We've used it as support for 2 weeks in a row. We're falling below it right now, but we fell below it 2 weeks prior and then wicked back up and closed above it. So we'll probably do the same thing here, right? But we never did retest this trend line on the weekly time frame for for the confirmed breakout. So we could actually come down and retest that at 66,200-ish. Is entirely possible too, right, guys? So either way, now, do I think that's going to happen? No, I don't. I think this candle is going to be green. The election is literally tomorrow, right? And I've showed you guys what happens. Well, screw it. I'll show you right now. If you're new to the channel, I'll show you right now. This here, hang on. This little circle here was the last election in 2020, okay, on the daily time frame, or sorry, the weekly time frame. We literally went parabolic into the parabolic part of the bull run immediately after the election, not months later, immediately, right? So fast forward, here we are. We're in this election right here on the weekly time frame. Are we about to go parabolic again immediately? Well, it's what happened last time, and it's what happened the time before that as well. It looks small because I'm zoomed out, but if I was really to zoom into it, I mean, it's actually, it's actually pretty parabolic. So yeah, so that is what happens immediately after the election, guys. And the election is tomorrow, okay? So do I think this next weekly candle we're on right now is going to close red? No, I don't. I think that by the end of this week, we also have rate cuts that are going to happen on Thursday as well. So Thursday, I think Thursday, Wednesday or Thursday. So yeah, 2 catalysts in 1 week. We should most likely, I think there's a 98% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut. So very, very bullish there. We got a little bit more to show you guys. We got some news to get into. So top crypto gainers today, November 4th. Scroll down through these other ones to get to what we want to see. Wrapping up today's list of top crypto gainers is JASMY Coin. This project, launched by the Tokyo-based IoT provider JASMY Corporation, has carved out a unique niche in data sovereignty. Specifically, JASMY aims to empower users by giving them full control over their data while seamlessly connecting service providers and data users. Moreover, the JASMY ecosystem is built on a strong foundation of security and decentralization. It leverages blockchain and IPFS technology, ensuring data confidentiality and robust decentralized management. By allowing users to share data through IoT devices securely, JASMY effectively transforms personal data into a valuable asset, enhancing user empowerment and data protection. The past 24 hours, JASMY has seen a modest price of 0.43% to the upside, bringing its current value to 1 cent 7093. Interestingly, it boasts a high liquidity ratio of 0.0866, signaling active trading. Additionally, the 14-day RSI stands at 50.69, pointing to a neutral trend that may indicate potential sideways movement. However, despite the 40% of the last 30 trading days being positive, JASMY's long-term metrics tell a different story. It is trading at 264.44% above its 200-day SMA and 20469, underscoring its significant upward momentum. Even more impressive, JASMY has experienced an astonishing 319% price increase over the past year. Surprisingly, 87% of top 100 crypto assets, surpassing 87% of the top 100 crypto assets. Importantly, this growth is backed by strong security measures. JASMY smart contracts deployed on Ethereum and audited by Slowmist aligns with Japan's strict cryptocurrency regulations. This compliance boosts users' confidence and solidifies the project's reputation as a reliable market player. That is the only legally regulated crypto in Japan. Now, guys, if you've been watching the last 2 live streams I did yesterday, one I did with Maximus Crypto, good friend of mine. We did a deep dive into JASMY. And then last night, I did a video touching a little bit more on the My Number card, guys. And I asked AI how many companies in Japan are using the My Number card, which utilizes JASMY's technology. The answer was potentially tens of thousands of companies. Okay, tens of thousands of companies. That is millions of users being onboarded, guys. Okay, so checking in with Neosun, France seems to be mirroring Japan's initiatives this year, including eventually the linking of health insurance data, among other areas, into the digital identity wallet. The digital identity wallet, guys, is Europe's version of the My Number card. And there's a lot of speculation out there because this tech is so similar that it is actually JASMY's technology that they're utilizing in it. And the reason that I say that is because JASMY's technology is actually patented globally, right? Although there are already partnerships between the 2 countries in the digital field, this doesn't necessarily mean JASMY is involved. Our role is to share this information, but it's still rather intriguing to notice these similarities, especially since, as I repeat, JASMY is compliant with the European GDPR data protection laws, and its technology is patented across the European Union. So we are patented in Europe. They are compliant with European law. They are compliant with Japanese law. Big things, guys. They are going to explode. Think about it. And then yesterday, we touched on the implementation of having the driver's licenses in Japan implemented into the My Number card utilizing JASMY's technology. We all know that the Apple iPhone is going to be integrating the My Number card in March of 2025, which is this spring coming up, which also utilizes JASMY's technology. Do you follow these breadcrumbs yet, guys? Let me know what you think. And as always, like and subscribe to the channel. Click the join button to join the community. Guys, if you want to sit down and you want to have a conversation with me, Zoom call, one-on-one, we can chat about your portfolio, about your exit strategies, your profit taking, all your questions you may need answered, any help that you might need, self-custody, DeFi staking, taxes, tax implications, profit taking, profit compounding, and everything in between, guys. Book a one-on-one with me. We do them on a daily basis now. So get in there, get your one-on-one coaching session booked. Also join our video group calls as well. We do Zoom calls all together over there as a group. And again, we discuss all of these things. We're discussing the election. We're discussing profits. We're doing swing trades over there. One swing trade we did, we made 790% return. Another one we just finished up, we did 100% return on. Guys, you're missing out on these opportunities. Get over to the Patreon. Join the conversation, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.